I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your GMC Yukon key fob. First, you'll need a few simple tools to get started. Grab a small flathead screwdriver, which is essential for prying open the casing. Make sure you have a fresh CR2032 battery ready for replacement. It's also a good idea to work on a clean, well-lit surface to avoid losing any small parts. This preparation will make the process much smoother and quicker for you. Now, let's carefully open the key fob. Look closely along the edges of your fob for a small notch or indentation. This is usually where the two halves meet. Gently insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this notch. With a steady hand, slowly twist the screwdriver. You should feel the two halves of the fob begin to separate with a slight pop. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing. With the fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note or even a picture of its orientation, paying attention to which side is facing up. This is crucial for proper reinstallation. Carefully pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring it's oriented exactly the same way the old one was. This step is vital for your fob to function correctly. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Gently press the two halves together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, test your key fob to ensure it locks and unlocks your GMC Yukon. If it works, you're all set. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic deals, including a great option for durable socks with a lifetime warranty and other helpful resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.